We call it มะเขือไข่เต่า because it look like a turtle eggplant. You can pick this one. You see that side? This is for green curry, red curry. In Thai we call มะเขือเปราะ or in English we call. If you're looking for, it will be written Thai eggplant, apple eggplant. That's what they call.
Apple.
Yeah, like
The purple one is called what?
different. That's a regular eggplant that you have. Yeah. Maybe we look. If you see like that over there, over there. There, you just grab the leaf. No, there, that plant.
Here?
No, you just grab the leaf on the right, on the right.
On the right?
On the right.
Oh, see.
It's tricky. If you look, like this side is good to pick. If you see some, don't need to be exactly. I need the tallest, longest, and you're allowed to pull up with the root, okay? Yes. Because this is the secret of our cooking today. Okay. The coriander stem and the root you will see next for our spring roll and curry paste. Yeah. Am I clear? Yes. Like this, maybe like 5 or 6 of each, would be nice. Yeah. I will shake the water.
Is it good?
Oh, not bad. Try it.
American Chinese.
You want to try it? Try it. You can.
James is not happy.
There's ready. Not the water, but you want the white meat, the shredded one. It's not as sweet as the young green one, Thank you. Oh, yes, you really hope, Shower with that. Jing love coconut, you will see. Okay?
I really didn't know that you had to open it like this.
Yeah, because the only way to make like a round bowl, okay, that's good. If you cut very light, it will make the vibration very hard to make the hard shell separate from the meat. Maybe in this steak, you might just do like that inside. Because if you knock the hard shell out, it's hard for us to shred with this tool. You see, if you knock them light,
Wow.
knock them light, you see that part?
Beautiful.
It's already came up. It come up left only that. It's hard for us to hone because we have to use this tool. This will protect us from shredding from our hand. You see this? Yeah, you said thanks.
So excited.
She said thanks. Wow. Jing said thanks. This one attached with that. Down. Yeah, like that. And only down. Yeah. Push it harder down and just.
Don't shave off your hand.
You want to try that?
I'll try now.